Tianjin Kingnod Furniture Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale and service of dining room set, catering chair, outdoor chair, TV stand and office chair. Located in Tianjin with convenient transportation access, we are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates for our products and testing reports from SGS, Intertech. Our products are exported overseas like Europe and America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Satisfy both customers and staff is our mission, which leads us to be a healthy and high reputation company in our field. Strict quality control starts from the raw materials purchase until container loading, and 5% of turnover is invested in quality control and new product design. Always be sincere to customers is Kingnod's first and uttermost principle, among other values like integrity, appreciation, contribution, undertaking, self-guidance, and kaizen. These have become part of our life and will always guide our staff. Welcome to cooperate with Kingnod. Coming here, you are not only our customer, but also our lifelong partner, hand in hand, growing together.
Kingnod Furniture has been exporting for over 10 years. We main produce the plastic chair, metal chair, and dining table. Welcome to contact us.